is the front part of the car. So kung naaalala nyo yung dating Hi-Ace, di ba? Para siyang flat nose kasi from the windshield, diretso na siya dun sa harap ng kotse. But here, this model actually has a protruded na yung kanyang front part of the car. So para siyang nagpa-nose lift, ganon. Very modern, very sleek, and very sophisticated. Talagang true artista van. So this one has a 2.8 liter engine. And it also has 174 na horsepower and also 450 Newton meter of torque. So ano ibig sabihin nun? Kung meron kang 10 pasahero at maraming mga bagahe, ay hindi siya mahihirapan sa pagdadrive. Kahit na umakyat ka pa ng Baguio, okay na okay itong kotse na to. So ayan, we have 175mm of ground clearance. And as you can see, hindi rin siya ganun kataas compared to the other SUVs that we previously reviewed. So this one also has 17 inches of alloy wheels. Meron siyang radial tire. And here, you can see na very chunky yung kanyang tire. Very comfortable siya and steady. Now, let's look at the back of the car. You can see here, of course, yung emblem. And then we also have the tail lights over here. Ito yung wiper niya sa likod. Meron na rin siyang camera at the back for the parking. And when you open the back of the car, medyo mabigat mabigat siya, pero look at the space. Sobrang laki ng space dito. So parang pwede mo nang ipasok dito yung bahay mo. Okay, we're here inside the car. Grabe, sobrang laki niya, no? And I can really see na ang ganda ng aircon niya. Very, very, very powerful. Mga buttons and adjustments. And of course, ang pinaka-importante, meron kang 10 seating capacity dito sa kotse na to. So meron kang 4 dito sa likod. Meron kang 2 sa third row. You also have 2 here sa ating second row. And then 2 naman sa harap. Yung third row seats, tsaka yung second row seats natin, pwede kang maglagay ng car seat.
Hello po mga kayid!
Kamusta ang comfort level at the back?
Ayan, so I think kapag puno na kayo, kuwari 10 na kayong nakaupo dito and everyone seated sa camping chairs, medyo masikip na yung mga nasa last row. Kasi yung 4 na chairs natin, they're captain seats. So parang medyo masikip lang kapag nasa pinaka-dulo ka na nakaupo.
So kung matutulog ka dun sa back of the car, kamusta naman ang 510 Cavendish natin dyan?
Medyo masikip ang ni baby. So natin ang ayan.
Oh,
Para
yun.
magkasya ang inyong
Oo.
510 Cavendish.
Mukhang may aircon ka rin dyan, ah.
Yes, so
Wow.
here we have different aircons. And yung pinapoint out rin kanina nung owner ni Miss Jen. So ito yung sinasabi ng light. It's giving cabin ng airport. Ay, ng airplane.
Ng airport.
May mga speakers din siya.
Ayun. So, mas comfortable ka na medyo ina-adjust yung mga seats in front.
Yes.
Oh, parang captain seat din ba to?
Yes po. So,
Wow!
so you have your own little armrest here.
Ay, mga ports.
USB ports ka rin.
Ang masasabi ko, hindi lang siya for big families and those with small businesses. It's actually like a rolling VIP lounge. As in, this van is so useful. Actually, bilib na bilib ako. Dahil dyan, of course, this is a yes for me. Again, this has been Yes, I'm a Mom, and yes, I drive. Beep, beep.